During the autumn of 2024, the practical element to one of my university modules has been to design and build a control system for a set of traffic lights. The junction consists of a main road and side road intersecting, and in addition has a pedestrian crossing and traffic sensors to detect whether cars are present on the roads. The program was to run on a PIC microcontroller, and we were using the PIC 18F452. The first step of the project was to make a state transition diagram. We would be using a finite state machine to control the traffic lights, and this diagram describes how the state machine works. The program was to be written in C, and we were encouraged to use the MPLAB-X IDE and simulator to write and test the program. This is a powerful simulator which can simulate all aspects of the PIC and our program. In addition to using the simulator, I also built a small prototype of the traffic lights on a breadboard. I used this to test the PIC outputs worked correctly, and also to provide inputs such as the pedestrian button and traffic sensors. So I'm just going to demonstrate my group's traffic light project working on the breadboard that I've built. So currently we're all red, which is a good place to start for traffic lights. Yes, so now currently this is the side road. Side road's on green, and we're going to stay here for 15 seconds unless there's an input. So we could have an input like traffic arriving on the main road, for example. So let's simulate some traffic arriving. And now you can see it's moving on. So now it's going to go back round to the main road, being green. And then the traffic's going to drive off. And we'll simulate some traffic on the side road. And we'll press the pedestrian button as well. So the pedestrian wait lights have come on. Side road's gone to red, main road's gone to red even, and now the pedestrian crossing's green. And the wait lights have gone off. And the pedestrians get 10 seconds to cross, and then we're back round to the side road. And now the side road traffic will drive off again. There we go. I'll now leave you with my group's final program running on the demonstration board in the lab. The technicians did a brilliant job building this over the summer, and by the sounds of it had quite a lot of fun doing so. Unfortunately, some of the pedestrian crossing lights weren't working, but this is a hardware issue, not a software issue. So now we're going to go back to main road, because there's no side road traffic. Okay, so main road, so now we'll put some traffic there. So now again we should move on straight to the side road. Actually no, let's say a pedestrian comes along. So now we should go pedestrian and then side road green. Pedestrian crossing green. And side road green. And now we'll say that nothing else is going to happen, so we're going to stay here for 45 seconds. Or until we get bored and make a car arrive from here. Actually, let's make the big monster truck arrive. Yeah, that's working properly, so it's moved straight on and it'll go on round to the main road. Perfect. And now I'm going to do pedestrian and traffic on the side road. So now we should go pedestrian green and then side road green. Pedestrian green, wait lights have gone off, perfect. and side red green. Oops. Brilliant. So the only issue is that this one wait light is not coming on. But other than that, perfecto.